Hello friends! Now we are going to take the express train from Tokorozawa to Ikebukuro, Tokyo. Tokorozawa City, a commuter town for Tokyo, is located in Saitama Prefecture. Here comes the train. La Vue, today's express takes us from here to Ikebukuro in only 23 minutes. Tokorozawa City is located about 30 minutes from here to Ikebukuro and 40 minutes to Shinjuku. Normally, we don't need to take this express, but we just want this train today. Let's see how the view changes from the suburbs to one of the Sub-Metropolitan Centres, Ikebukuro. Off we go! Seibu Ikebukuro Line opened in 1915 as the Musashino Railway runs through part of the Musashino area. The Musashino area includes the region from eastern Saitama to western Tokyo and lies on the Musashino Plateau. In this area, trains run just next to residential areas, so it is as if the houses are coming right up against the windows. This is because areas around Tokyo are densely populated with housing. Trains might be noisy for those living along the railway line, but it is said to be surprisingly quiet late at night when trains are not running. We are now passing through Nerima Ward, Tokyo. It is halfway between Tokorozawa, Saitama Prefecture, and Ikebukuro, Toshima Ward, Tokyo. During the Edo period, Nerima developed into a major suburban farming village, supplying vegetables to the center of Tokyo. After the Great Kanto earthquake of 1923, Nerima Ward was incorporated into the neighboring Itabashi Ward as the population began to flow in from the center of Tokyo. However, in 1947, Nerima Ward became independent from Itabashi Ward and became the newest of the 23 wards of Tokyo. The train is running slowly because it has come to the residential area. It doesn't disturb the residents in this area as much as possible. The train is taking the last sharp curve. I used to take this train to school every day when I was a student. We are almost at the end of the line, Ikebukuro Station. I remember that whenever I came to this curve, I always felt relieved that I was finally free from this crowded train very soon. It was nice to have a special seat at the very front near the driver with a lovely view. "23 minutes of the short journey is about to come to an end. We have just arrived at Ikebukuro Station. Ikebukuro Station, as a whole, has about 2.6 million daily passengers, making it the third busiest station in the world after Shinjuku and Shibuya stations. I assume many of those people are not from Tokyo but from Saitama Prefecture though. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, watch one more video from my channel. The design of the channel images is by Profile Studio. Check their social media accounts in the description. またね!